All right, but Biocon, which came out with a largely inline set of numbers, that's the management. So let's cut across and find out what she has to say.
Half of this fiscal delivering a very strong set of numbers. As we have disclosed, our revenue growth has delivered 21% year-on-year growth in our biopharmaceuticals business, 13% in our branded formulations business, and our research services business continues to deliver stellar performance of 36% year-on-year growth. Of course, the weak rupee has helped our research services business significantly and Biocon exports as well. But having said that, we have had to mute some of those benefits through some of the imports that have gone into Biocon's manufacturing. What I would also like to say is that EBITDA has been maintained at a very healthy 25%, and PAT has been maintained, in fact increased to 13% on a higher tax rate, I must mention, because as you know, Biocon has lost some of its SEZ tax benefits as well as its EOU tax benefits in many of our units, and therefore we have seen much higher tax impact this half of this year. On a quarterly basis, of course, we have exceeded market estimates, and we have delivered 102 crores of PAT, and our PAT margins have been delivered at 14%. Our EBITDA of 188 crores is also ahead of street estimates, and our revenues have also grown very robustly to 753 crores for the second quarter. In terms of the segmented review of all our business verticals, I would say that every one of our strategic business units have delivered very strong growth. Branded formulations has been somewhat muted, largely on account of regulatory conditions that prevail in the market, and I think no Indian company has been spared from that muted growth. But having said that, we hope that the worst is behind us, and I hope that the second half will see much better growth in the branded formulations business. Having said that, this quarter has seen the launch of a very exciting new biologic, Alzumab, for the treatment of psoriasis, and the first month's market response has been extremely encouraging. I think the market acceptance has been much higher than what we expected. So we do expect this drug to be a very big drug in India, and of course we are in the process of now getting ready to file our IND for the US and IMPD for Europe so that we can immediately enter into global development. We continue to have partnering discussions for this molecule, which is a very exciting molecule given that it has a large role to play in many autoimmune conditions.
All right, we'll touch base with the management with respect to an interview once the press con is done. For now, Biocon is trading with a bit of a negative bias. But let's focus on the markets. Pritesh Mehta